Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, umkhokha the curse. All right, can we start about the people that we're praying? Umamzobe akhuleka nje, Mamzobe akhuleka nomuntu wakhe. They've decided ukuthi because they are praying to the same God, they're gonna pray together, even though their savior is a different person, right? Okay, sharp. How? Ebusuku nama amaphupha kaMamzimandu. Mamzimandu uyaphupha. Hey, uSifoci uyaphupha. Hey, uMsuthu hey, iphupho nje, iphupho the enemy, iphupho the dream. Akusese umkhokha the case, ukuyiphupho the dream. Alright, kuvukwe kududuzwane unomkhosi, sorry man, unomabusi aze athi awuxoli uphupha amaphupha amabi because awuxolelanga unomkhosi in uManzimandu athi phuma lapho, inobungozi leyo ufuna ukuyiqala, iyeka nje, phuma kuyo lento inobungozi, hayi ayiyekwe vele ke. Hayi kanti umalume le baba omncane rather wabokhulekani ahlangane nani nesidumbu sikakhulekani silenge emthini. Hayi man, angakholwa amemeze, fonula ifamily izibonele. Hayi ke kube nesikhathi sokuthi kuhanjwe bathi bashiya unomkhosi athi ke ngilokho ngingaboni ukulenda lapho ngizolenda because this is my husband and I need to touch him so that I can make sure ukuthi hayi vele ugirl alende amtouche. Hayi athi lo akusi umuntu wami, Lord, this is not the one, this is not my husband, this is not the man I married. Ayibona ukuthi athi nina futhi angimthembi nonke, umuntu engimthembayo la uyi-one, uNtuthuko. Cala ngibizele uNtuthuko azoconfirm ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ntuthuko hayi abize uNtuthuko angene alende. Makalende uNtuthuko busa. Ntuthuko athi vele mama uye lo ubaba. Yo, either way unomkhosi cried, I felt her like, yo, I felt it. Ugirl spoke to ukhulekani alele lapho waxolisa and acknowledged ukuthi I betrayed you. I should be the one that is sleeping here, not you. I should be the one that is unalive and not you. I should be the one suffering and not you. But it's a little too late. Why is it a little too late? Ugirl utsheliwe ukuthi inobungozi yelento, yekelani lento. Ugirl wathi angiyeki lento, ngiyayithatha ubungozi ngizodila nabo in the future. Hayi ayithathile ke yaba nobungozi, ubungozi bathatha impilo kabani kakhulekani. Hayi adecide ke ulo uphakathwayo ukuthi atshela umkakhe akhala uMamzobe, inyembezi zikhalele ubani unomkhosi ukuthi shem amncane umfelokazi amncane bekajabulile ukuthi akawumamkhululi. Hey, like it is sad, it is honestly sad, even though we all believe ukuthi unomkhosi brought this upon herself, but I think we can all agree with no one deserves to go through what unomkhosi is going. Also, having your husband die and you can't even see him, you are going to bury him, but you won't see ukuthi the actual person that was buried was your husband. So yeah, today it was all about revealing ukuthi ukhulekani is no more, so we can safely say RIP Khulekani because the body has been found. And Uzamxolo tried to say, I need to see my brother, and then he was reminded of the rules of the church to say, unfortunately, ngeshwa but you are unable to go and see ubhuti wakho because umuntu ongcwele akasondeli laphayana, umuntu ogqotshiwe akasondeli laphayana. So ke wahluleka kanjalo ke Uzamxolo ukubona ubhuti wakhe. Yeah, this is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.